3 a.m. again, same ghost, same ceiling. 3:17 a.m. Your face still the first thing in my head again. Cold side of the bed, still shaped like your silhouette. I said I'm moving on, but my soul still sleeps inside your hands. Late nights, same pain, same storm inside my chest again. Every midnight feel like a courtroom where memories testify against me. Your laugh still hanging in the dark like smoke, refusing to leave the room. I swear I try to bury us, but your name grow roots through concrete. Now every song become archaeology, digging fossils from emotional ruins. You laugh soft like snowfall on broken glass. No screaming, just silence sharp enough to bleed slowly. And maybe that hurt more, the way love died politely, like a candle apologizing before disappearing in the smoke. Late night, cold breath, your ghost still under my ribs. No sleep, red eyes, I still hear your voice instead. 3:17 a.m. Your face still the first thing in my head again. Cold side of the bed, still shade like your silhouette. I said I'm moving on, but my soul still sleeps inside your hands. Late nights, same pain, same storm inside my chest. You traded my heart like borrowed clothing, left me emotionally homeless in winter. Now loneliness sit beside me every evening, like an old friend too stubborn to leave. People ask why I never date again, but how I'm supposed to love another person when my promise is still chained to your shadow. I told myself if love leaves once, never open the door again. So now I sleep beside unanswered prayers and conversations that never happened. Still loyal to a memory that probably forgot my existence already. And the coolest part, I'm not angry you love someone else. I'm angry my heart still chooses you, even after becoming collateral damage. I still remember your eyes, like moonlight drowning in a rainwater. Psychological imprisonment through sentimental residue. Every neuron in my system still chemically attached to you. I wake at 3 a.m. conducting funerals for old emotions, yet your memory resurrect through involuntary motions. You became a phantom stitched beneath my circadian rhythm, a melancholic algorithm inside subconscious prisons. Every dream feel posthumous, like loving somebody after spiritual extinction. I heard you found comfort in unfamiliar arms, while I remain catastrophically faithful to scars. Now my solitude echo through apartment walls, like abandoned cathedrals after the fall of God. And maybe I'm pathetic, romanticizing devastation, turning heartbreak into personal religion. But grief got its seductive architecture, especially when loneliness decorate the ceilings. I promised myself no more love after you, so now every woman feels temporary compared to the mythology I built around your existence. Maybe healing never arrived. Maybe I just learned how to limp gracefully through life. 3:17 a.m. Your face still the first thing in my head again. Cold side of the bed, still shade like your silhouette. I said I'm moving on, but my soul still sleeps inside your hands. Late nights, same pain, same storm inside my chest again. Same